Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah. My name is Muhammad Amin Abil bin Muhammad Yusri, and my matrix number is 17 DEP 24F1007.
Hi everyone, my name is Narsha Zibeti Saari. My matrix number is 17 DEP 24F1012.
My name is Nurul Dilaila binti Mat Nazri. My matric number is 17 DEP 24F1013.
Today we want to talk about how to use Breadboard. Alright, so this is a breadboard. It's divided into two main sections, the power rails on the sides and terminal strips in the middle. Do you know how this row and column are connected?
Yes, the power rail run vertically and they are used for connecting the positive and negative terminal of the power supply. The terminal strip in the middle are connected horizontally across 5 holes in each row.
Exactly, so the component will be placed in the middle, while power will be connected to the rails on the side.
Now, let's put our circuit. First, we need a resistor to limit the current going into our LED. LED, you know this LED?
Yeah, I know.
I place the resistor in here, on the breadboard.
Oh, so why do we need a resistor?
Good question.
Huh.
The resistor prevents too much current from flowing to the LED, which could burn it out. This resistor is 1 k ohm, which is perfect for this circuit.
Oh.
And where we should put the resistor?
It doesn't matter which one we place it because resistor it works in the same inter direction. I insert into one on this row. The LED has two legs. A longer one called anode, which is positive, and shorter one called cathode, which is negative.
So how do we know which leg goes where?
Good question. The longer leg,
The anode should be connected to the positive side of the circuit, and the shorter leg, the cathode, should be connected to the negative side. I will place the anode in the same row as the resistor.
what happens if we connect it the wrong way?
If you connect it backward, the LED won't light up. LED only allow current to flow in one direction.
Now that we have resistor and LED in the place, and then we need to connect this power supply to the. So we need to use this wire jumper to connect the power supply to the rail.
Which wire goes to which rail?
The red wires connects the positive terminals of the power supply to the positive rail, and the black wires connects the negative terminal to the negative rail. So that's how you use a breadboard to build a simple circuit, a flexible tool that allow us to experiment without soldering. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you to understand how to use a breadboard.
Exactly, breadboard are great for testing and learning. Thanks for watching.